This camera is manufactured by Everfocus model number EQ700 per their ultra resolution 720 series. Color without compromise, your choice of full motion color or true day-night images in low light without ghosting. Adaptive tone curve reproduction, digital wave dynamic range expansion to deliver properly exposed images despite unbalanced lighting in the scene. Easy to use OSD menu setup. Motion detection for 4 configurable zones. Privacy mask function for 4 configurable zones. Dual voltage 12-24 with anti-crawl for stability even without line lock. You can order the 720 line at discountlowvoltage.com.